This pairing is very near and dear to my heart. This pairing reminds me of a lot of nostalgic parts of my life with my grandparents. I grew up eating the cherries out of my grandma and grandpa's Manhattans. So one of the most popular drinks that we have here is our Manhattan. And if you ever come in and have our Manhattan, I hope you think of me and you think of my grandparents. Something that I knew I wanted on our menu was a Monte Cristo because it reminded me of my grandmother and all of the times that we would be together and we'd go out to eat, and if there was ever one on the menu, she always ordered it. So when we opened, I knew I wanted to do this in memory of her. So if you ever come in and order the Evelyn, it's in memory of my grandma. And it is made, and it comes with our house-made raspberry preserves on the side. The house-made preserves is something that pairs really, really well with this sandwich, with the turkey and the ham and the Swiss cheese that's melted. And the unique aspect of a Monte Cristo is that it's a French toast kind of sandwich. So on our brunch menu, it is extremely popular.